Hey folks, welcome back to STEM. So today we are going to be making a hologram that you can use with your phone. So you can either do this using a plastic CD case. If you're doing that, you're going to need like a sharp knife because scissors just make it shatter. It does work with scissors to a certain extent, but it's not as clear.
Yeah, so you might need an adult to help if you were going to use this one.
Yeah.
Or what we've used is we've just laminated a laminating pouch. We've just run it through on its own, and we've found that this cuts really easily and works just as well. So we've got a guide here. Now you can find these on YouTube if you just Google it's a mobile hologram, and it's got different sizes for your phone. So pick what one suits your phone, and then all you're going to do is draw around it onto the CD case or the laminating pouch.
So all you really need here is something like clear plastic. As long as it's clear and it's plastic, it'll work and you can cut it.
Yeah. So that's the design there that you're then going to cut out.
You need to, for the template, it also depends on what size of phone you've got. So you would need to know what phone you've got, and then the sizes are different depending on what it is.
So once you've cut that out, you're then just going to fold along the lines, fold them inward like that, and then the two open edges we're going to stick together, if you can see, stick them together, and we're just going to put a bit of sellotape along that so that it holds its shape. Can find the end, that's it. So you don't want to use too much sellotape, just enough that will fit along the top. There we go, and just cut that extra bit off. And then you should have a shape that's like this. So you've got a hole in the bottom. Okay. So then, we're just going to move into a darker room so you can see the effects better. Okay, so we've just come in here where it's a wee bit darker, just so you can see the effects better. And if you go onto YouTube, you'll find loads of videos that you can use. And if we put that on there, and you should be able to see the 3D minion. Oh, the 3D minion. There's loads of other videos you can try, so remember to, once you've tried it, remember to post in the comments and let us know how you got on.
Thank you.